1/2 inch here. You could just see that I have marked slightly on there halfway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line up my middle needle marking. I'm using a wide cover stitch, so I'm going to use the middle needle marking and I'm going to line that up with that. I've got my strip of fabric, 1.5 inches wide, and I'm just going to feed it through, and it will come out and the raw sides will fold under. Press the foot down and then go. And as you guide it through, I just try and keep this bit flat so I know that each bit is folding.